Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I am doing my first flight of my Syma X5C, this one here. I was recommended this by a big drone flyer. He said it'd be a good one for me to practice with. I've got a little tiny one, I've got a bigger one than this, but I thought, yeah, I'll give it a go. I think I've done the unboxing for this at Christmas, but I haven't had time to fly it. Due to illness and just generally being too busy to do other things. So it's still wintry at the moment. It's not raining, it's sunny, but it's still bloody cold out there, so I'm not going out there and do, just to do the flight. So I thought I'll show you a quick flight. I've got one criticism about this remote, and the fact is you have to have a screwdriver with you, Phillips screwdriver or posi screwdriver, I think Americans call it. And I can't see why they couldn't have two clips. And see that on the back? Why do I need to put a screw in there? Why not just two plastic clips? Because you're guaranteed that you'll be out and about somewhere and you're going to need to change the batteries. So anyway, we get on with the first flight. So I'll put it on the floor, and I'll move the camera back so you can see me starting it up and that. Right, and the way you calibrate these is, you see that? First of all, you turn it on, and then you turn on the drone, and then you move this one up and down, and hopefully it will sync. Okay, so I'll do that right now. So, turn it on, turn this on, there we go, up, and hopefully that's it. We will see. See that? I'll hold it over there. Yes, to sync. Right. Oh, it's quite smooth. Let's get her in the video. There you go. See that? Very smooth. I picked my little guards on, as you can see, just to stop the blades getting damaged as they come down a bit hard. Not the ideal situation to fly in here, but yeah, it's quite easy to fly. Let's see if you can see that yet. Yeah, look, twitches here and there. Yeah, very nice. I was losing my bearings in. Right, let's move the camera about a bit more. Right, let's go. So, there you go, see that? Has a camera on it, it actually came with a memory stick. I think it was only a 4 gig memory stick, but there you go. Better than nothing, that's what I say. And I must say, it's very easy to fly. Colour lights look pretty good underneath. Comes with a set of blades. I think it only comes, can't remember if it's 2 or 4, I'll have a look in a second. You stay there, droney. Oh, it's round here. He's wandering off to the right, left a bit. Oh, comes with 4. There you go. That's how easy it is to fly this thing, even indoors. I wouldn't recommend it though. It's very light, this little drone, as most drones are anyway. Drones are a lot easier to fly than my RC helicopter, I can tell you that much. I recently repaired it, well, just before Christmas actually, about a month before Christmas. My helicopter, my RC helicopter, I actually broke the body on it, so it hit the ground so hard. That was me panicking. I actually broke it and had to completely rebuild it, which was my first. and very enjoyable. So there you go, that's the flight, my first flight of my drone. I'm not going to do no tricks or anything. Obviously there's different modes you can select and you can calibrate it, but I'm just going to do that. That was it. So if you have any comments, please post them below. I will stick a link in there for Big Drone Flyer 77 because he's a nice bloke, American guy, and he does a lot of videos. I think he does video every day, so I'll stick a link in there for him because he's a nice bloke, and he always helps me out, gives me good advice if I need it, and always says hello on my videos as well. So that's it. Oh, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. I hope you did like it, but you know. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching.